Guess what have I done to my HDR68 to get over 22 joules of power? Welcome back, fellas. This is my stock HDR68 or TR68, depends on where you're watching from. This 68 caliber is huge, I can fit my finger down the barrel. This is 16 joules version from the box, but I have goodies from homedefense 24 to make it even more powerful. This is tuning barrel, essential part for HDR68. I also got sniper extension and this muzzle brake. Here, tuning barrel and extension piece. Let me pull out sniper extension, oh yeah. This will be interesting for sure. And lastly, muzzle brake for, look, I guess. Well, let me shoot from stock HDR68 so that we know what power it has. Alright, here we are with Devil Spikes 68 12 grams projectiles from homedefense 24. Silicon, fresh Umarex CO2 cartridge. Target is about 3 meters from me and Air-Chrony chronograph is about 30 centimeters from tip of my gun. CO2 pierced, Devil Spikes in, and let's shoot. Empty mag. Air-Chrony chronograph lets you browse memory, so here are stock 5 shots. Definitely check out air-chrony.com, as this is probably best chronograph available in Europe. It is official shooting chronograph for World and European Championships. So back on my desk and I will take apart my new HDR68. 11 screws for Phillips head screwdriver and these 2 torque screws on top of the gun. Let's start with those. While I do this boring job, you should check my other videos. I have a full playlist of modifying HDR50, 68 and soon HDP50 guns. Or at least hit subscribe button. One screw is removed. Quick open the case. And I will remove mag spring along with pin. Next I will remove entire inner mechanism and pull out stock barrel. Stock barrel is made of alloy. New tuning barrel from homedefense 24 is stainless steel. It has this rectangle sticking out and also thread for extensions and accessories. Now let's measure them. Inner diameter of stock barrel is 17.5 mm on both sides. Next, new tuning barrel inner diameter is 17.44 mm, so it is tighter. Next is the measure lengths. Stock barrel 16.8 cm, tuning barrel 18.5 cm, and then we have sniper extension 11 cm long and tuning extension at 10 cm. So when I add new 3 pieces together, I'll get almost 40 cm long barrel. Let's see how it performs. Now I'll assemble the gun with new tuning barrel. And bit of grease below barrel spring, like so. By the way, barrel spring is also stronger than stock spring. Tuning barrel goes in, like so. Rectangle piece on top and barrel spring behind plastic. Close the case and screw in every single screw. Also, I like to check axial movement of the barrel. It should move smoothly and easily. Don't forget the top plastic. Done. Let me test fit these. Tuning barrel, sniper extension and also tuning extension. This is bananas. Fishing rod from the gun. Cool, and let's check also this pointy thing, good for making holes and opening a beer. Yeah, also for just the barrel. There is this piece, the protect thread. Let's see how good are these new barrels. So here just tuning barrel, silicon, new Umarex CO2 cartridge, Allen key action, CO2 pierced, and same devil spikes from homedefense 24. Let's shoot. Make sure to subscribe. Empty mag, the power was exactly same as expected. As new barrel has minor changes, let's see tuning extension. Silicon, new Umarex CO2 cartridge, yeah, Allen key, CO2 pierced, same devil spikes go in, and fire. Second shot missed red, and last fifth shot was not captured. Power slightly weaker, again expected, as without tuning CO2 restrictor firing pin we cannot get enough pressure out of the CO2 cartridge. Lastly, sniper extension with tuning extension on. Oh yeah, sniper at its finest. Silicon, new Umarex CO2 cartridge, blah blah, CO2 pierced, devil spikes in, and fire. Again, slightly weaker. I cannot wait for more tuning to achieve massive power increase. Here, first 5 shots were with tuning barrel only. Next 5 shots with tuning extension. Last shot wasn't captured, so only 4. And last 5 shots with sniper and tuning extensions. That's it. Tuning barrel is crucial for achieving max power, of course, when paired with other tuning parts. Stay tuned for those. For now, let that sink in. Check homedefense-24.com and air-chrony.com. Subscribe and see you next time.